This is a capture race challenge for white. It seems a little complicated. Maybe you're not sure what's going on here in the corner, but it's actually very, very straightforward. The only thing white has to realize is that if it plays on the outside first, then black can play here number 2. And there's actually nothing for white to play, right? Not even a ko. And white will only have 2 liberties left. So this is 3 on 2, and white will be short. So to prevent black's move here at c19, white only needs to play this Atari first. And all of a sudden, white has 4 liberties, actually, right? Not just 3, because as we can try it, right? This is really a 4 on 4 situation after black's number 2. Because black cannot just come in. Black will have to play at least 1 move on the outside as part of exhausting white's liberties, right? So that's why white essentially has 4 liberties left, not just 3. So no matter what black does, it will need a move on the outside. It can't just come in this way, because if you play it this way, now white captures, and white still has at least 3 more liberties. This is already at least 3 versus 2 liberties. So black cannot just play at number 4 and 6. It has to play on the outside first and come in this way. And this way, white has, the whole shape has 4 liberties, but black will be short. So it's actually very easy. White just has to prevent black from coming into c19 first. And then all white needs to do is to realize that white already gained 1 more liberty at 4. And this is a 4 versus 4 situation. And white can win very easily. 1, 2, and 3. Hope that made sense. If you're a little confused, take one more moment to go through the variations and count the liberties. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.